Hey y'all, so welcome back. So I am going to be doing my self-care maintenance at home. I usually do a lot of the pampering, a lot of my self-care as it comes to like my hair, my nails, my toes. I do most of it at home. The only thing that I don't do are my eyebrows. I usually go and get them threaded. Other than that, I do everything myself. So I figured let me just show you all how I kind of take care of myself at home. It's not perfect and I don't always do all the things at one time, but it just happened that everything is needing to get done all at once. Like my hair needs to get done, nails need to get done, my toes are definitely need to be done. So just everything all at once needs to get done. So I figured it'll be a great time to show mainly like my pampering routine, so to speak, my self-care maintenance, whatever you want to call it, at home. So I like to, pamper myself, but at the same time, save money while doing it. And I actually enjoy doing it. I just washed my hair. I usually wash it in the shower. So I just got the shower as well. And I decondition it with this True Textures Moroccan Clay Steam Mask from the Mazzani brand, and I sit under my hair steamer for about 25 minutes and then I rinse it out. So I just rinsed it out and now I'm going to go ahead and put some leave-in conditioner in it and then blow dry it, braid it up, because I am going to be doing I am going to be putting some crochet here, and I'm going to be using this new hair. I got this from Amazon. It's Yankee twist. This is basically how the hair looks. It's just like a really small twist, and it does have like a loop at the top here, like most crochet hair have at the top. And now the leave-in conditioner I'm going to use is this Mazzani leave-in conditioner, and basically I just put this on and then I blow dry it, and then I put on like this light oil from Mielle Rosemary Mint. I just put a couple drops in my hand and just put the oil all over my hair. Let me stop talking so I can go ahead and get started doing my hair. And I'm really proud of myself too, because lately I've been really taking care of my hair as far as like making sure I'm maintaining moisture, because that is one of the things that has been stopping my hair from really retaining length. My hair has been at the same length for about 3-4 years now, and I know it's growing, but it's not retaining any length. And I know for sure that's because I don't keep it moisturized. And when you don't keep it moisturized, your hair's just going to break off. So that's what my hair has been doing for the last couple years, and I'm finally really taking care of it. Going to a stylist or going to the salon. I would say I go to the salon maybe once every other month or 2 months, because I mainly want to go just for her to clip my ends and just kind of give myself a break from having to do my hair. Sometimes it's a great break for me to just go and let somebody else do it for me. So that's one reason why I do like to go to the salon sometimes. I am going to use this leave-in from Mazzani. I'm just going to put this on my hair, and then I'm going to take a bit of oil after that, just a light oil. And I'm not going to do too, that's a lot of leave-in. I'm not going to do a lot of oil, but I do want to put oil on it so that it can kind of seal in that moisture, because my hair is really dry. Like it's hard to get that moisture in my hair, so I have to work super hard to keep that moisture. Okay, and I'm gonna take this Mael rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. Just gonna put a couple drops in my hand and seal that in. Oh, my hair feels so good. So good. Okay, now it's time to blow dry. Now I am going to braid her up and prepare to do my I'll install my crochet Yankee twists. Okay, so I just finished braiding my hair. As you can see, I do the same braid pattern every time I do crochet. I just do 2 braids in the front that connects to 1 braid in the back of my head, and I leave obviously the edges out because they're thin, as you can see, so I'll just fix those later. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start installing the hair. I'm hoping it'll only take me a couple hours to install. It's already about 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm getting kind of hungry. I might have to just take a break and eat dinner, but I'm going to go ahead and start to install the hair. So now it's time to do my nails, and I have been doing my own nails at home for a whole year now, and I'm just really proud of myself for learning something and sticking with it. It's not perfect. I'm still not the best at doing them, but I think they come out pretty well when I do them. So I'm just soaking off the previous dip powder manicure, and this takes like 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. And so then I start to shape them and, clean up my cuticle areas. But the main reason why I decided to start doing my own nails at home was because I just felt like I was not happy. I was never happy with the results I was getting in the shop. Like, it had always been something that I did not like about my nails. And I just got tired of trying to find the perfect nail tech or the perfect salon. And it's like I'm spending almost $200 a month because I would go every 2 weeks faithfully to get my nails done. So it's kind of like, why spend this amount of money a month and you're not completely happy with the results? So it's kind of like I took matters in my own hands and just kind of like, you know what, I'm just gonna try to do my own nails at home. And for a whole year it's been working out. Like, it's not perfect. I do make mistakes on my nails, but hey, I'm doing them myself. I have the same satisfaction as I was getting when I was going to the shop. So it's kind of like I'm saving money and they still look nice. It's a win-win for me. So I ordered all of my products online. I found some really, really great places to order dip powder online, and I'm already having a little collection. So I don't plan to spend too much on different dip powder colors, but I definitely have built up a nice little collection already, which is cool because I do like to change my colors a lot. I don't like to wear like the same color all the time. So it's cool. And I also do my toes as well. I did not show that in this video, but I do my toes. I do the same color on my toes as on my hands. I'd like to keep it the same. I like for my nails and my toes to match. So this is my finished hair. I don't think I came and showed y'all how it looked. So far I've been rocking it did it Friday, today is Sunday. So I've been rocking it for 2 days now. It's really lightweight hair and I love this color on me. It's just really bringing out like my skin tone and it's perfect for like that warm weather that's coming up. The hair is pretty good. I have no issues with the hair. It doesn't have a smell or anything. Again, it's lightweight. It was really, really easy to install. It took me around 2 hours to install it, so not too bad. I definitely had to put like edge control right here because of my edges are thin and this part wasn't able to be braided in, so it still turned out pretty cute, I think so. And then these are my nails. I love how they turned out. These are super cute as well, so I love this color. Really loving how this looked. turned out. So that is pretty much wrapping up my self-care maintenance routine at home. I don't do much, really just my hair and my nails. Other than that, sometimes if I'm feeling special or whatever, I'll do like a facial or something like that, which I'll probably show in upcoming videos. But for this time around, I only had time to just do my hair and my nails because those are the two things that I really want to make sure that I keep up with all the time. And comment down below and let me know some of like your must-haves or your must-to-do things that you have to do for yourself as it pertains to like your beauty maintenance, self-care maintenance, and pampering routine. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud?